Today, I am going to show you exactly how to build a dashboard in Notion. So, have you ever found yourself wishing for a more organized and streamlined digital workspace, a place where all your tasks, notes, and creative inspirations come together seamlessly? Imagine having a dashboard that not only brings order to your chaos, but also enhances your productivity by providing everything you need at a glance. Well, you're in luck. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of building your very own personalized dashboard in Notion. By the end of this video, you will have a sleek and efficient dashboard tailored to your unique needs, making your daily workflow smoother and more enjoyable. To kick things off, we're going to utilize one of Notion's free dashboard templates. You might be wondering why it's beneficial to start with a template. Think of it like this. Building a house from scratch takes a lot of time and effort, but moving into a pre-designed home that's stylish and functional saves you time and gives you that professional finish right from the start. Plus, you can tweak and adjust everything later to suit your preferences. Let's dive into the process. First, navigate to the top left corner of your Notion workspace. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu. Don't hesitate to click on it. This menu is like a gateway to all the fantastic features Notion has to offer. Once opened, look for the option labeled Browse Templates. Imagine this as a store filled with various ready-made designs that you can explore. In the search bar, type the word Dashboard and allow a few moments for the results to load. You'll be presented with a variety of dashboard templates, each with unique styles and purposes. Take your time scrolling through the options. There's no wrong choice here. It's all about finding a template that resonates with you. Whether you're drawn to a minimalistic and calming design or a bold layout packed with widgets, choose one that aligns with your vision. Once you've decided on a template, click on it to open the details. Then, hit the Add button to incorporate it into your workspace. The template will appear instantly, though it might take a moment to fully load. So don't worry if there's a brief pause. Now comes the exciting part, customizing your dashboard to fit your needs and personality. Begin by adding your personal credentials or information. For instance, if you're setting up the dashboard for work, consider placing your job title, daily objectives, or even an inspiring quote at the top. If it's for school, your class schedule or important deadlines might take center stage. This is your opportunity to make your dashboard truly yours. Swap out any existing images with ones that motivate you. Update the task lists with your real-life tasks, or insert sections for creative ideas and quick notes. For those who want to dive deeper, you can customize colors, reorder sections, or change icons to better reflect your style. While this might seem a bit intricate at first, take your time exploring different changes. Notion is incredibly flexible, and you can always undo a change if it doesn't suit your taste. The ultimate goal is to create a dashboard that not only looks impressive, but also feels like a central hub for your thoughts and priorities. And just like that, in a few straightforward steps, you've crafted a powerful, professional-looking Notion dashboard ready to evolve as your needs do. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to build a dashboard in Notion. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe so you never miss an update.